Don't lose sight of why you're doing this and adapt to what era we're in. For instance, I have been in this industry for 23 years, and we didn't have Instagram. Yes, thank you. So in order for me to keep up with society and what the younger generation's doing, I had to adapt by creating my own Instagram account and social media and make sure that I still remain head of clients. Honestly, I would have to say, whenever I'm out, my hair is always done. So your best marketing tool out there. So if I'm out and somebody says they like my hair, I immediately say, I do hair.
Right.
Yeah.
I have hair emergency.
Oh, this is my mom.
Oh, hi, Mom.
I like to socialize and talk a lot, so I'll start a conversation like, oh my gosh, I like your bangs, I like this, where do you get your hair done? And I'll always create a conversation for the industry that I'm in. But I would say word of mouth and who you are, so people know who you are. You know, or I met this girl the other day or whatnot, and she had good hair, you know? Balancing it. We don't have health benefits, we don't have vacation time, we don't have all the things that other companies give you. So it's being very strategic and smart with your money. And being on top of that, not just every week or every month, every day. Yeah. Smile and be kind. 100%. And know your worth, know your value, know your boundary, and like the golden rule, you kill it with kindness. You know, it's your reputation. If you're really nice to somebody, if you're really kind, even if they're upset, they can't ever say like, oh, well, she went off on me and that's the reason, you know? Yeah. So if you're just kind, you can't say anything. So do your homework. Think about what you want to do. My suggestion for a lot of graduates, don't pigeonhole yourself into doing just hair cutting or hair coloring. You want to be a well-rounded stylist and always look for room to grow in a salon. For instance, if you're in an apprenticeship program, you want to make sure like the education is what you want, and if they pay for your further education outside of the salon, so you want to make sure that not only do you want to find an apprenticeship program, but also interview them to make sure that's a fit for what your needs are. And don't rush to rent.
Yes.
You've got lots of time.